Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is my newly painted kitchen cabinet with Benjamin Moore paint. Just have a look. Hi guys, this is Benjamin Moore booth paint. It came out so well. So if you want to run your cabinet with Benjamin Moore, the best ever paint I saw. The wall. This one is Chantilly lace from Benjamin Moore. I just did I think it's a semi-gloss on Benjamin Moore, and we can see my cabinets came out so well. I painted myself. I coated with 2 coat of primer with Benjamin Moore, and it came so well. Yeah guys, this is the one with Benjamin Moore, the premium semi-gloss, which I showed you before. That this is the Chantilly lace, and you got the code. It's W6271X, and the Chantilly lace was OC65. And this one, the primer which I took, I don't hope you guys can see that because I just dropped all those paints. It's a fresh start from Benjamin Moore primer. The code is 04600 acrylic, and it gives you a solid base for the paint, which I really love it. So you guys try and let me know in my comments. So this both combinations goes so well. This goes good with the wood especially, and you can paint 1 coat and go with the 1 coat of paint. Even that looks so good. You guys can see from the shade from the light, it looks so good. It's so mild, but still it looks so pretty on your kitchen. Look at that. So if you try with Chantilly lace and booth paint, that's a good combination. You can try the other combination too, but this one shows so well. And my floor is like a wood gray, so it definitely suits my kitchen. Look on the light. I'm just taking this video away from the kitchen, so you're gonna see that. See this. If I just take in a sideways, it looks a little dark, but when you go front of the cabinets, it looks a little gray. It's a mix of greenish gray, but it's gonna give you a pleasant look on your kitchen. Definitely you're gonna like it with this Chantilly lace combination. So I made a silver stainless steel handle, which goes so good. If you want to turn into black, it even looks good too. So you guys can try that too.